morning. What's going on, guys? How you guys doing? It's been a long time. Been a long time since we've seen you last.
It's been like what? 3 days?
3 days, yeah.
3 days.
And look where we're at. Beautiful Mason Lake.
Washington.
We've made it to Washington. And we are lucky to be here. Our good friends, our roommates, you know them as Sean and Holly, have a house up here. Thank
So
you
this
for
is
them.
where we're spending 4th of July.
Yeah, we'll be up here all 4th of July.
So this is pre-4th of July.
Pre-4th
Coming
of
to you the
July.
day before.
Yes.
And then we'll send you guys another one on Friday. So then you'll see all the fireworks and everything.
Yes.
We're gonna freaking send it
We're
on
about
the,
to send it right
send
here.
it on the jet skis.
Let's go see
Sending
him.
it.
Let's go
There's
see
Sean. Sean, are you gonna wear that pink life vest?
him. Yeah.
Bailey, what were you doing over there?
Alright guys, so yeah, we're gonna go get it on the jet skis. Tara's got her pink little bathing suit on like a little Barbie. End of the dock. And also guys, also, I've seen probably 15 bald eagles so far here, and those are like America right there, and that is especially good to see during 4th of July. So if we can catch one on video for you guys, we'll definitely show you.
Marty, the man of the house. Get a shot, get a Taylor. Model. Yeah.
Ready? I'm ready.
No, I need to get my life jacket. Safety first. Safety first. Big yawn.
So,
Tired guy.
alright, we're playing a game of Yahtzee with some Rice Krispie treats. The lowest score for our game is gonna have to go jump in the lake off the dock. So, it's not gonna be me. Might be Tara, but she cheated last game.
Everybody is going down. I am not jumping in a lake.
Yeah, you are.
I'm not losing this game. I'm freaking bringing it home for Team Tara.
It's gonna be a close game, huh?
Sweating. Uh-oh, Holly might be jumping in. She might be the jumper. Yoshi's, 2 Yoshis! Woo!
Look at this right here. Another Yahtzee, baby.
I'm cold.
Guess what time it is? It is time for hot chocolate. Oh, that whipped cream is so good. Oh, look at this boat going by. Hey, get on a pontoon and float. Where will you go next?
God damn it. What the? Look at my fucking pants!
Damn.
Ow! Ow! My fucking foot! Look at burn a hole in my sock!
What did?
Get over here. Get away from here, man.
Taylor decided he's gonna try out for America's Got Talent with this as his talent.
Can you light a fire while you're
Woohoo! Golden buzzer!
Look at that, I just started a fucking fire.
Woohoo! So that's it. We are going to
Send it out. We're sending
it out
So we'll be back
Friday.
Friday. By then, you'll meet Tyler Andrews and Olivia.
See
who
some
are gonna be here.
fireworks.
See some fireworks, see some icing. And then you're gonna also see more of Mason Lake. So, and Sean and Holly, of course.
More fires.
More fires, so. Thank you guys. We'll
Like,
get back to you.
subscribe.
I'm gonna go jump in the lake.
Peace! Peace out!